Hi, my name is Ryan Peterson, and I'm here at my alumni mater, BGSU, in the biology building in room 112. And this is a medium-sized lecture hall that is suited for a number of different functions. And so the way that the lecture hall works is that the lecturer can stand anywhere around in the front area, or even at the very front by the screen and chalkboard at the podium. Then the audience, with the audience being able to view them from the seats, and their seats swiveling all around in almost a 360-degree way. So offering somewhat of a collegial atmosphere. Now there's a number of advantages to this space. Namely that everyone can see the presenter easily from anywhere in the room. Even if the presenter utilizes hallway spaces or just decides to walk around, they can easily see the presenter. The audience also has this table. Back up. It also has a large, can also see this table where a presenter can bring in animals or different types of science experiments to show the class. And because of the circular build of the room, pretty much anyone can see it relatively easily. It's also small enough that anyone can hear the presenter relatively easily. But there is some echoing within the room. But there are several points within the room that designed to maximize the acoustics. Namely, the ceiling is specially designed to focus acoustics, and the walls are designed to radiate sound with their specialized wood paneling. The lighting is a yellowish, soft lighting. So it's not a harsh lighting. It's not hard on the eyes. But there are also several disadvantages. One, with the size, there does come some echo when giving any presentation, and the presenters don't have access to a microphone, although they do have access to another number of other media facilities, such as computers and speakers for movies and such. The lighting is soft, but the yellowish lighting combined with the decor of the walls and the chairs can make it look slight and feel very dated. And the fact that there are no windows in this room, kind of makes it feel a little bit dark along with the carpet. Another kind of disadvantage is that although anyone can see a presenter pretty well, the chairs do not swivel. And so if I'm standing at the very front, the people in the sides can back up. The people in the sides have to croon their necks to see the presenter or to watch a movie. And And also, with most lectures, with most presentations, the speaker is doing the majority of the talking. And so having a table right in the middle, it kind of just takes up space and is basically unutilized space for the majority of a talk. So although the table can be very useful, if you're doing some type of science experiment or mock debate or showing off animals, it does take up a lot of space and can make the room feel a little awkward. And lastly, there is a side entrance to this lecture hall that is right in the very front. So if you got people, your audience members, arriving late to your presentation, which hopefully you never do, then they're going to be walking in sometimes right in front and distracting from the presentation. So this type of lecture hall is nice for research presentations, or you're presenting some type of research, or medium-sized classes that allow for the questioning and answering by the student and the teacher. It offers a cozy environment for a guest speaker that many large lecture halls don't have, where they feel very harsh, have the cinder blocks on the walls and the harsh lighting. So this offers more of a cozy feeling for a guest speaker, and a somewhat intimate feeling, because it's not massive. It can accommodate about 100 people, not 200 people like some of the very large lecture halls. And so this wouldn't necessarily be appropriate for small meetings or class, say, if there was less than 10 people, because everyone would be spread out. But it can serve to accommodate many types of classes, many types of presentations, and really is a very versatile classroom. So with that, I'd like to thank you, and I'd like to thank my camera operator, Marissa Serby. Thank you.